Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. This is lesson 3 for Scratch programming. So in this lesson we will be talking about backdrops. What are backdrops in Scratch? We know that we make animations, stories and games on Scratch. So there needs to be some kind of background to your game, to your animation. So those backgrounds are actually known as backdrops. Let me quickly tell you, once you open Scratch application, you can see there are two buttons at the bottom. In the previous video, I told you about this button, choose a sprite. Next to this button is another button here in the bottom. It says choose a backdrop. From here, you can click on it. Once you click on choose a backdrop button, you can see there are lot of backgrounds available in this Scratch application. So you can go scroll down a little bit so you can see more options here. So we can quickly select any one of this to show you how it works. I'm selecting blue sky here. I will click on this and then you can see that how this background of the stage has been changed. You can make it big. You can make the stage big with these plus arrow signs at the top. We click here, we can see how our background looks like. So this is how we can do different backdrops. We can make or we can apply different backdrops in Scratch. Let's quickly go again. Choose a backdrop. There are some categories for you, just like sprites. We have fantasy. There are a lot of fantasy backgrounds, music. We have some concert and theater backgrounds or backdrops here available on Scratch. Sports, we have some sports backgrounds. Outdoors, there are a lot of backdrops related to outdoors, beaches, night city, or winter, woods. It is going to be very interesting to use all of them in our programming later in the upcoming videos. We have some indoors like the bedrooms, like a concert, party, and a witch house can be for the horror kind of programming or game that we can design. Space is very interesting. You can have galaxy, moon, space, and there are a lot of the stars backdrop. So the moon backdrop, it is going to be very interesting. Then moreover, we have underwater theme here. We can put a underwater background in the program, or the last one is some patterns. We can apply any pattern at the background of our programming or our video, stories, games, whatever we make. So let's just quickly make it a heart one. So here you can see that how the backdrop changes the background of your stage. So this is all about backdrops, and this is the only thing. You cannot delete a backdrop. You can just go here and you can change a backdrop to the another one like this. So this is how it works. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we will be starting with all of these blocks that are available on your left side of this Scratch application. So these are motion, looks, sounds. So I will be telling you how we can use these blocks to program your sprites. Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.